Inventory Hive integrates with a host of platforms, but one of the most popular integrations that we have is our Fixflo integration. This integration is free of charge, and it means you can hook up your Fixflo account to your Inventory Hive account. So you can send maintenance issues that you raise at a property inspection from Inventory Hive to your Fixflo account at a click of a button. This means it cuts down additional admin time for your staff as well as human error. So how does this work? So if I go to a property inspection report on Inventory Hive and I notice that there's a maintenance issue that I want to raise. So if I, for example, want to raise an issue with the toilet, I go to the toilet, scroll down to the maintenance checklist option here and flag the issue. So let's say, for example, the toilet flush is broken. So I'm going to say it needs repairing, type in the comments, the flush is broken, flag the responsibility if it's applicable, and then there's a button here that says send to Fixflo. So this means that all this data will get sent directly to your Fixflo account straight away. You can send tickets one by one, so one issue at a time, or you can group the issues into one ticket per report. So that's how our Fixflo integration works, and this integration is completely free of charge.